Hi there, this is my Yamaha YAS-209 Soundbar, which comes with a subwoofer, and today I will show you how I use the app. This is the iPhone 7 Plus, and I have opened the App Store and look for Yamaha Soundbar. Then you get to see Soundbar controller as well as this Soundbar remote. So what you need to get is the soundbar controller. Click on open, and it will ask you to allow the soundbar to use wireless data. Yes, both. And now it would like to find and connect devices on your local network. Okay, and after that just press next. Just allow while using, and let it use the Bluetooth and let it find. Yeah, you can find this YAS-209. So alright, this is how it looks like once it's connected the app to the soundbar via Bluetooth and Wi-Fi. So what happened now is that you can use this to actually control the volume. See that? So once you changing the volume, it will start changing here on the TV as well. So that's one thing. And if you want to do more than that, what you can do is click on it. As you can see, there's a lot of things that you can do here. So you can search to access your Apple Music and your folders to the media library. So I don't have any music here, so you can't see anything. And to access what's your favorites and my music, I don't have any songs here. You'll be able to see what's the song in your iPhone, and you can have Spotify, Tidal, or you can edit or to enable QQ music. Alright, and next will be Bluetooth. You can set the source to be different things. Now it's connected to HDMI, which is to my source here, which is this, the TV box. So you can also change it to TV. TV is just optical, so as well as Bluetooth. So that's all for here. Let's click on info and see what it does. It will show you the version of this app, and the open source license and whatnot. So that's not important. So let's click on this site, and here you can't really do much. You have to click back here at the YAS-209, and here that's a bit tricky, but you get used to it. From here, what you can do is you can also add other soundbars, if you have more than one soundbar in your house, but of course it have to be Yamaha. And next, what you can do is click here on the settings or gear button here. Here you can do more. You can actually rename this soundbar to something else, but I just leave it be as YAS-209. You can also see the soundbar info. Click on it, then you know the Wi-Fi status, Wi-Fi strength, IP address, and so on and so forth. So this is where you need to see the sound settings. And here you can set the 3D surround to be on or off. I would just recommend you to on it. It's so much better with it. And the sound program, it can change from movie, music, sports, game, TV program, or stereo. All this can be done using remote control as well, but now you can do it on the app. So other than this, clear voice, I recommend you to on it all the time. You can hear the dialogue of people talking very clearly, and bass extension as well. I also want to on it all the time. And subwoofer volume, I just remain it as 0. You can actually change it to 1 or 2. This one you cannot do it using the remote control. Okay, so because you won't be able to see what's the in the remote control, whether it's -1 or plus, you can only hear it. So here you can really see that your subwoofer volume is in which volume level. So I've tried putting two loud. Yeah, even the bass of the people talking is really loud. It's like distorting the voice. So one is slightly better, but I think zero is the best for me. So then let's go back. And what else you can do? You can off the soundbar. This is on. Click on it, off. As you can see, this will turn red. Yeah, that's what happened. On it back. Alright, that's it for the app for the soundbar from Yamaha, and it's been great, you know, using this app. But the thing is, it can be more user friendly. At times I feel it's difficult to use, but the thing is, once you get used to it, yeah, I think that's okay. This YS-209 have been sounding very good and very clearly. Everything is fine for now. Yeah, I will use it for another few more days, and I will let you know what I don't really like about this. Okay, thanks for watching, and have a nice day. Bye.